I'm going to show you how to apply the rule of thirds to a photo, and using Photoshop 2019. For the assignment that I have, it's required that you have a size that is 9 by 6 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and use my guides, and by the way, probably the default pulls up rulers, but if you don't have the rulers, go to View and select Rulers. I have this checked off showing that it's there. And then to get the guide, you simply click on the ruler and drag. So this is roughly, well, I shouldn't be rough about it. Let's go in and take a check. Okay, so that's off a little bit. Let me get that on the 6 mark. And 9. Yep, gotta get that over a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out, Control 0. Now I'm also going to mark the grid itself. It is true that the crop tool will do it for me, but I find that knowing where I want to place things before I grab the crop tool is going to be more helpful to me as a designer. So I know that the crops on the guides line should be placed at 2 inches and 4 inches on the vertical, on the horizontal, and at 3 and 6 on the vertical. So, let's zoom back out again. And these are my sweet spots. And I want to put something of interest in there, and I want to get this horizon line in there. So what I'm going to do is go Control A to get all of this, and then Control T to transform. And I'm going to click and drag, and I actually am going to pull this up because I know this is about where I want things. So you can see I've put the Hancock building right here, right there on that, and I want the horizon here. So now I'm going to have to do a little more adjusting. Just pulling this over, getting this till I get it right. And that should be about what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and commit to that now. Now, what you need to do is you need to deselect, that's Control D, before grabbing the crop tool. I've got the crop tool here. And also, you can adjust, you can see you have a variety of selections that you can have. The default one is at the rule of thirds. So grab this and move it over, and you can see my little rule of third lines, and there they go. They're lining up on there, just about. And now I'm going to go ahead and commit. And I will show this to you without the guides. I'm going to just clear them because I don't need them anymore. So there you are. There's the rule of thirds in work.